If you enjoy exploring questions like this, consider subscribing to Dr. Malcolm. If a space mission was fake, how would we know? Not decades ago, but today, in a world of satellites, smartphones, and global connectivity, could something this massive really be hidden in plain sight? This isn't about proving or disproving a specific mission. It's a thought experiment, an investigation into what would actually be required, not what we feel, but what reality demands. Some people wonder if advanced technology could make a fake mission believable. After all, movies create entire worlds that feel real. So the question naturally arises, could that realism extend to space? Exploring questions like this isn't about suspicion, it's about understanding. Because when we examine what's possible, we learn how reality actually works. And often, the details tell a very different story. To fake a mission, you'd need convincing footage, not just a few clips, but hours of continuous realistic visuals. From launch to orbit to operations. Then comes microgravity, the floating, drifting movement astronauts experience. It's subtle, unpredictable, and difficult to reproduce for long periods. Even films struggle to maintain it perfectly. A real mission isn't edited like a movie. It involves live feeds, long duration shots, and unplanned moments. Maintaining that level of realism continuously would be a major challenge. Next, communication. Spacecraft constantly transmit data, video, telemetry, and signals. These signals don't just appear online, they travel physically through space. Signals have delays, patterns, and measurable properties. They can be tracked, analyzed, and verified independently. Replicating that convincingly would require precise control over real-world physics. Finally, perception. A fake mission would need global consistency across media, experts, and observers, not just a story, but a synchronized reality. Now let's consider reality. Spacecraft aren't only tracked by one organization. Independent observers, scientists, and even hobbyists monitor objects in orbit. Rocket launches are public events, thousands of people witness them in person, and they leave behind physical evidence, sound, light, and measurable force. Once in orbit, spacecraft can sometimes be seen from Earth, bright points of light moving across the sky, visible to anyone who knows where to look. Modern missions involve thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians, often across multiple countries, each contributing specialized knowledge and oversight. Space exploration today is rarely isolated. Agencies collaborate, share data, and cross-check results, which adds layers of independent verification. Telemetry data is constantly streamed and analyzed. It includes speed, position, temperature, and more. And it follows known laws of physics. Objects in space follow predictable paths. Their motion can be calculated precisely, and those calculations can be verified by anyone with the right tools. Returning to Earth involves extreme heat and precise timing. Re-entry creates visible plasma and sonic effects, phenomena that are difficult to fake at scale. Much of this information isn't hidden, it's publicly available, shared, and analyzed worldwide. Transparency makes verification possible. When all these elements combine, something becomes clear. The complexity isn't just technical, it's systemic. Every piece connects to another. In theory, many things are possible, but reality isn't just about possibility, it's about practicality. And scale changes everything. A deception of this magnitude wouldn't be simple. It would require coordination, consistency, and long-term control across countless independent systems. That's why evidence matters. Not assumptions, not impressions, but measurable, verifiable data, the kind that can be tested and repeated. Asking questions is important, but so is following where the evidence leads, because understanding grows from both curiosity and discipline. Could a space mission be faked today? In theory, you can imagine it, but in reality, the layers of physics, observation, and global verification make it extraordinarily unlikely. And maybe that's the more interesting truth, that reality, when you look closely, is often more impressive than any illusion. If you want more calm, logical explorations like this, subscribe to Dr. Malcolm. Because the universe is full of mysteries, but also answers waiting to be understood.